Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel OJ Marketing. Right here in today's video, I'm going to be revealing to you a free traffic method that you can use to go on to earning some cool cash right here with Cpagrip and also CPA marketing. This is going to be an amazing strategy that you can actually do go on to leveraging right here for 100% free, and it's also going to be a beginner friendly strategy right now. So do stick on with me as we dive right into the video right here of today. But before we do that, guys, if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I do create videos on ways you could make money online with the use of AI tools, with the use of CPA marketing and also affiliate marketing. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right there. And make sure, guys, that you are also subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you boost your income online. So guys, if you do take a look at the traffic source we're going to be utilizing today for promoting our CPA marketing offers, you can find out that most of its traffic comes from the United Kingdom the most. About 95% of its traffic comes from the United Kingdom, 0.66% come from United States, 0.48 from France, 0.47 from Ireland, and 0.35 from Australia. And you can see about 3.48 from other countries right there. But take note of this, that about 95% of its traffic comes from the United Kingdom. And guys, you just want to go on to promoting a United Kingdom offer utilizing this platform right here. So to do so right now, we're just going to go on to Cpagrip. That's our CPA marketing platform. You could use any other CPA marketing platform of your choice. This strategy will absolutely work for that. You can just simply go into registering for an account if you don't have one, of which you'll be brought to a page such as this, and you want to just simply provide your details on all fields with the red asterisk signs, as that indicates the required field you must go on to filling out before an account can be created on a platform like this. And you could just simply do that. You could read through the terms of service via clicking on this icon right here, and you could just simply go on to agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out like I did right here, and go on to getting an account created before you can go on to logging into your account. So guys, once you're logged into your account, you want to come onto this offers page right here, and to do so, you want to come onto this section that says offer tools. Select that. This drop down list will be shown to you, of which you want to select my offers, and you'll be brought to this page. Since our traffic source that we're going to be utilizing gets most of its traffic from the United Kingdom, you want to just simply go into selecting the United Kingdom as a country of choice where you want to get offers from. And you can actually come right here, filter the offers by payout, and you can see a very cool offer that pays you about $10.27 right here for promoting this. So if you do click on the offer, you'll be able to see more details of the offer, that your leads need to come from the United States. They need to be using an Apple iOS device to submit their email address and zip code while going through a simple survey using this your unique affiliate link, and you do get paid just simply $10.27 right now. So that's actually quite easy for you to go into promoting this. To promote this, just simply go into copy the link to the offer, and you want to just simply utilize any platform to create a simple landing page. You could utilize platforms like the site.google.com, and this is an easy platform that you could just simply go into creating landing pages for absolutely free. So far, you actually do have the a Gmail account, that is a Google account. You can actually go on to gaining access to this platform for 100% free and go on to creating simple landing pages. You could also utilize platforms like breezy.cloud or breezy.io to create a simple landing page right now. If you're finding it difficult creating one, you just need to head on to my channel OJ Marketing, click on this search icon right here, and just simply go on to typing in landing page. If you do go on to typing in landing page and actually do click on enter, you'll be able to see a lot of videos that I create for you that shows you how to easily create a landing page on the breezy.cloud, systemy.io, Google site, even Webflow right here, and a lot more other platforms right there. So grab hold of these videos and utilize them to learn how to create simple landing pages. So once you've done that right there, and you've been able to create a landing page for that offer, you want to just simply link that landing page to the offer and go on to promoting that right now. So if I'm actually promoting the offer using this link right here, and I just simply going to creating a landing page and link that to the offer, that will actually be better right there, because they help increase the conversion rate to that offer right now. And you could just simply head onto the platform which we're going to be utilizing right now, and that platform is called Gumtree.com. So this is a very cool platform, which is just like an online shopping platform, which people actually do go on to listing our stuff. They want to go on to selling with the respective amounts right there. As you can see, these are actually some cool stuff people are actually selling right here with some respective amount right now. You can actually go on to giving that out or checking out this platform for more cool features. And guys, like I said, most of its traffic comes from the United Kingdom. If you actually go onto the top, you'll be able to see the amount of visits it got in the last 28 days right now, which is about 19.4 million visits right there. That's quite a huge amount of traffic. So you want to utilize that to go on to driving traffic to your CPA offer. All you need to do is to come onto this platform called Gumtree, and you want to sign up for free right now. Once you do sign up, you can just simply click on this sell icon. If you do click on this sell icon, you can just simply go on to listing out your CPA marketing offer. Just by coming right here, you want to just simply find a category, or you could just simply go on to browsing for categories right now. You can see that there are different categories for the sale, property, jobs, services, community, pets. So maybe I do actually go on to clicking on sale right here. I can actually do go on to selecting something kind of in a very cool category that a giveaway offer can actually fall under. Maybe I can just simply come right here to this search section, and I just simply go on to searching for shopping. And if I do search for shopping, you can see this actually falls under the hobby, interest, and collectibles. I can just simply select that right now, and you can add, and I can just simply go on to posting an ad. Now for this ad right here, you could go back to this offer, save the image by right clicking on the image and save the image on your device. And if you do that right now, you could just simply go on to utilizing that exact same image for your ad right here. If you do insert that, as you can see that has been inserted, you need to give this offer a title, which is why I'm going to come right here and copy this title right now for the offer right here. If I do copy that, head back to that platform, I'm going to paste that in right here. Maybe for the description, I'm just going to come right here and cut out this section. So I'm also going to paste that in right here, and I'm just going to twist this to something else like and you can see this is quite better right now. But you want to make sure you settle down and draft out a very cool description that is actually eye-catchy and actually a very cool call to action that drags the attention of a lot of your audience. I'm just doing this right here to actually go on to showing you how to just simply run the ads on this platform. Right now for the price, you want to put in something like $0 right now to actually give this out for free. And you could actually insert a link right now. As you can see, if you want to insert a link, you need to just simply go on to paste it and paying about 2.5 euros for inserting a link to this particular page. And guys, you could also go on to inserting a link on this particular page for this amount. But if you want to bypass this right here, you could just simply come right here. Maybe if you do come right here and paste in your CPA marketing link. Supposing I'm actually promoting the offer directly using from this platform, which is not supposed to be so, you need to use a landing page. I'm just using this for an example, and I paste in the link. Before I can actually do go on to promoting this, you're actually going to be seeing that it's going to show that your advert description contains website link. Please use a website use the website link field instead. So instead of this right now, it's because using the website link I need to pay some money. I'm just going to go on to editing this quite differently right now. So for me to edit this right now, I'm just going to come right here for this section that actually says dot. I'm just going to come right now and actually do put in a bracket and type in something like dot right now. And also maybe if this is how the offer link actually is, supposedly something like this.com, I'm just going to leave it as this. And for this section, I'm going to come down to the bottom and type in something like replace dot with dot right now from the above to access web page. And you can see right now that if they do go on to replacing this with this, that's going to be a link right there. So all you need to do right now after typing that is just simply click on post ad, and you'll be able to see right now that will be posted for free right now. As you can see, that has actually successfully been posted on this platform. So you can actually do go on to promoting your ads more right here. To promote your ad, maybe you actually need to pay $2.6 to actually let people know what you want to sell or rent or hire quickly. You can do that. You want to just simply make your ad top of the category listing for 3, 7 or 14 days. You can actually go on to pay some amount right here for that, and you can actually go on to pay some amount for other cool stuff right there. But this is the free strategy I actually showed you, and your offers will be listed among the offers you actually saw earlier right there, and you can just simply get much more attention and traffic to such offers and make some cool cash right now. So if the video did add some value, I do hope you do like the video. Hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel OJ Marketing, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.